Hi, I just wanted to send you the finished product. This is the finished product. It's got lights, come on automatically with movement, day or night, the pack system, the Aurdal system, the drawers at the bottom, even my little handy dandy uh, what I'm wearing tomorrow hanger, um, my tall mirror, the height that I have up here in storage for bags all the way around. I did decide to add shelves all the way around and light with the extender rod. I used every inch of the closet, of course, top and bottom. Um, Also, this lighting, it did come from Amazon. I love this lighting because it comes during the day or at night. You don't have to be in the dark for it to come on. It will come on in the dark or come on during the light. Um, I do love this lighting. Also, of course, with this all doll system, just to point out and reiterate, it does come with drawers. I did get the jewelry as well as a hamper. I did a hamper port drawer at the bottom. There are two drawers with the Ardal system, and I think they work really well. Just so you can see, I think they just do very well. I have storage at the bottom because it does lift up off the floor, unlike the pack system, which goes all the way to the floor. I do have some lift up off the floor for shoes and storage. In the corners, of course, this is the mirror. I bought the mirror door, which was pretty inexpensive. I think it was like $60 or $70. And it's 92 inches tall. I really love it. This corner underneath, I have some boxes in both of these corners, actually, with purses in them and other storage items. As you can see, it goes all the way to the end. This is also an extender rod with the packed Ardal system. I'm sorry. And then this shoe portion, I love. You can stack it all the way to the top. I did use the top part for purses. I did do this little shelf as part of the all doll system for shoes, and of course the top part I use for shoes and purses. I love this lighting. I'll show you a little trick. If you'll stay to the end of this video, there's one little thing that you're going to see. Just one thing that I'd like to share with you that you may not have thought of, that I think is essential to every single closet. I think it is unbelievably essential. So stick around to the end. The lighting, though, let me point out, is removable. And so it's like a Jedi warrior. You can remove it from up there. If the lights go out or my power went out, it went out for a couple of hours one evening. And I was able to take down several of these lights, put them in the kitchen, put them in the bedroom. When my husband had candles lit, and I thought, no, these are even better than that because the LED, they shine, shine, shine. So I really like the versatility of these lights. I didn't hardwire them because I thought I like this better. I like this ability. One, they come on, as you can see, they're going off without movement, but they'll come on right back on with movement. So I really like that aspect of them. They will, come on during the day or at night. I can turn off the lights and I still have light. I just removed that one. But yeah, I love these lights. I want to put a little chandelier in here. I also put some hooks. I use these hooks for everything, guys. I have to admit, but at the end of the day, I just hang stuff on them. So this closet is 8 by 10 just for reference. It was able to hold an ottoman. It was able to hold boxes back there for storage, boxes at the top. I have all my jeans and everything up there. Stretch pants, jeans, workout, jewelry, and other essentials. This another little hanging thing. If I just want to distinguish what I just purchased or something, that's another thing that came from IKEA as well. I really enjoy both of these polls. What I'm going to wear tomorrow poll, as well as just what I just bought new, and I want to just kind of keep a record of it to whether I like it or not. Um, Again, this is where shoes are, which I really like. I have shoes up here. I have shoes up here. I have lights. I have a chandelier. This chandelier I also got from IKEA. But here's my thing that I really, really like. I do have a stool that fits in here. I do have my iron that's tucked away back there. I have my ironing board here. I have my step stool there. There's my iron right down there. I don't know if you can see it. But here's my last pointer. This closet it does it all, except accommodate my husband's stuff because he's got his own dressing room. I like my own. I just do. I like having my own closet. We all need our own little space. This is mine. But let me tell you the last thing that I think is essential in everybody's closet. I think that every woman should have this. When you are getting dressed, after you've picked out your outfit and you're getting dressed, I think it's essential that not only do you see the front of you, but that you see the back. And so I put an inexpensive over the door. I can't even tell you I bought this from, it's probably $5. But I can see over the door behind me. As you can see, my little fingers, this is behind me. And this is the in front of me. I think it's so important that you see what's going on when you're coming and when you're going. This double mirror is just, I think, it's essential for women and guys. I think everybody could use to know what's going on when they're coming in and when they're walking past someone, because people look at you from both directions, especially when you look good. So that's it, guys. That's my closet. I wanted to share that with you. Thank you for subscribing. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have comments or questions, I will source the lighting, my Jedi lights. I will source the lighting, which was from Amazon. I will also source the chandelier. Thank you. The chandelier. And any other questions you may have, just please, make a note down at the bottom, like and subscribe. I appreciate you. And my next videos are going to address dressing over 50 and 60, like myself. That's me. Thanks again so much for watching.